Hello students, welcome to the session. So today we are going to learn some pure math questions, or we can say quantitative aptitude questions on percentage. Okay, so percentages, so how do we solve? And these are the questions which we get it for either SSC, CGL, CHSL, okay, and RRB exams and most of the competitive exams. Okay, so in this session we will learn two or three questions. So continuously I will be making you learn about these percentages, how to solve these percentages question just in a minute. Okay, so we should not waste much time on these percentages because it's a very small topic and it is very easy topic to understand. Okay, so now let's start. So here the question given is if 80% of A, okay, what is it? If 80% of A is equals to 50% of B. So what is given? 80% of A is equals to 50% of B. This is the first condition it is given, right? And next, again what it is given, it is said that B is equals to X% of A. So this is second condition. So these are the two conditions it is being given, and from this you need to find out what is X value. Got it? Now, so here by these two equations, how can we write 80% of A is equals to 50% of B. So that means in place of B, what you can write? X% of A, right? X% of A. That means now how can we simplify this? 80%. If you remove the percentage, how much you will get? 80 by 100. Of is nothing but multiplication. A, which is equals to 50 by 100 into B means what? X%. X% means X by 100 into A, right? Here 100, here 100, cancel, right? Here 10, here 10 is also gets cancelled, right? Now, what you have got, we can write it like 8 into A, which is equals to 5x into A by 100. That means here A also is being gets cancelled. That means what we can write? 8 into 100 is equals to 5x. That means from x we can write 800 by 5. That means x is how much? It is 160. What is the correct answer? C is the correct answer, right? Next. So, if x is 80% of y. Okay, what is it? X is 80% of y. So, how do we write? Okay, so how do we write this? X is 80% of y, right? 80% of y. That means x is equals to 80 by 100 into y. Now, what you have to write down? What you have to write? That means how much what is the percentage of x is y, right? What they have told, what is x, what percent of x is y. Okay, so x is 80% of y. Okay, got my point? X is 80% of y. Then what percent of x is y? So x is what percent of y? That means this we can simplify as 0, 0 gets cancelled. So 8 by 10 of y, right? So 8 by 10 you can write it as 4 by 5 y. So now what has been asked? What percent of x is y? Now what is the required thing? So required is y by x is how much? 4 by 5y, and percentage. What if they have asked in a percentage? That means 100. So this y gets cancelled, right? If you reciprocate, so 5 into 100 by 4, which is equals to 125%. That means what is the answer? D is the correct answer. Now, next, what is the question? If 120 is 20% of a number. So, first condition, what is given? If 120 is 20% of a number, let's assume x is a number. Okay, now, then, second one, what they have asked, then 120% of that number x is how much? Got it? Now, by taking the first condition, we will get the answer. Now, 120 is, matlab, is equals to 20%. How you write? 20 by 100 into x. Right? This 0 gets cancelled. Right? 2 1s are 2 5s are. That means x is equals to 120 into 5. That means x is equals to 600. Now you got x is equals to 600. This is not the answer. Okay. Now you have to find out 120 of this 120 percentage of this number. So that number, a number, what is that number? It's 600 is the number. So now you have to find out 120% of 600 is. Now 100% is how much? 600. Right? 20. Now what is it? 20% is how much? 20% is how much? 120. 60 into 2. That is equals to 120. That means 600 plus 120 is equals to 720. That means 720 is the answer. Right? So today we have solved 3 questions. In the coming class, we will be learning another 3 questions. Okay? Stay tuned. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, Your Weekend Tutor. Thank you.